Here we go, ladies and gentlemen, back to finish the river out. Let me try to lower you down here so we can get a good view on the bottom of the painting. All I did here was take liquid white on the fan brush, tap it on, and make some more splashes. And then make some swipes. Some more splashes here and there. Save some of that dark blue in there. A few more splashes over here. And I think, ladies and gentlemen, we got ourselves a finished painting there. And this is an easy painting, this is a simple painting, but just about anybody can do, as I showed you. And you can do all the fine tunes and finishing touches. Like you can take the knife, add in some sticks and twigs, just like so. That's a good finishing touch. But ladies and gentlemen, anybody can do it. You can do it. This is the CLC Paint YouTube channel, where we're going to paint, let you enjoy some paintings, and show you how easy it is that you can paint yourself. Until then, until the future, until the next painting, ladies and gentlemen,